Elkomen presents KOBRA 400 WB, a professional shredder of the classic line. KOBRA 400 WB shreds up to 48 sheets at a time: credit cards, floppy disks, CDs, DVDs, films, and USB pen drives. Shreds crumpled paper too, emptying the contents of waste paper baskets directly into the hopper, ideal for a centralized use. Shredding can be stopped and reversed just by touching the stop button, and reverses automatically in case of jamming. The upper opening is wide and safe, with a transparent front door. KOBRA 400 WB has an additional front throat for flat paper, CDs, and floppy disks, equipped with a convenient document shelf. When the shreds bag is full or door is opened, shredding automatically stops with an optical indicator. 200-liter steel cabinet mounted on casters. Cross-cut shreds are collected into a recyclable bag, placed on sliding tracks to make the empty operations easy. Cutting knives are made of carbon-hardened steel, unaffected by staples and metal clips. 24-hour continuous duty motor without duty cycle, and a chain drive system with metal gears provides strength and durability over the years.